This how-to video is going to show how to add a user to the VersaCall system when you have connected the VersaCall system to your domain to using your Active Directory logon. If you haven't done that, there's a video that explains on how to set that up. This is just merely how to add a user for that setup. So basically from your welcome menu, we're going to select VT3000. Where we want to be is this users under administration, so you can select that here, or you can go this route. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to hit add, give this one a name, so this is the username that actually exists on your network, so it needs to be exactly the same. So I'm just going to say that this is JADO, and that's their username for my domain in my network. The full name, this is just something for you to know as a note. So for instance, this is Jane Doe server login. And then here's where you're going to want to select use Active Directory. So now, as you can see, it's not asking for a password because it's going to take the username that they supplied and then the password that they supplied, and it's going to ask the domain, is this good? If it's not good, it won't let them log in. If it is correct, then we'll allow them to log in. Here's where you want to fill out their email address, something like that, and then their phone number. If you don't have the phone number, you don't want to put one in, just put an asterisk in there. And then you're going to assign them to a user group. If you haven't set up any user groups yet, make sure you read that wiki page or watch that video on setting up a user group. Once you have that, select which one this person will be. So let's say it's administrator. And then the theme default, which is what you see right here on the screen. The other one is high contrast, which kind of makes the screen basically black and white. Once you have everything added in here, just going to hit save and exit. And then now we're going to see our JADO shows up here. And now she's ready to be able to log into the system and use those permissions that she's been assigned to. That'll take care of this video on how to add a Active Directory user, and look forward to talking to you again.